Good morning, love bugs. My name is Jasmine. I am your inner work coach, which means I'm here to help you learn how to love your life, love your relationships, and just to live your best life. And today, we're going to be fixing your relationship because when your relationship feels off, honestly, everything else in life feels off. So, we are going to be fixing this. This is going to be a super short, to the point video today. Do these steps over the next week and then come back and let me know how you're feeling because I guarantee after you do these, your relationship is going to improve so much. So, number one, what you're going to do is you are going to talk to your partner, okay? Because healthy communication is important. You're going to ask him how he's doing, ask him what's up with him. If your relationship is feeling off kilter and it's something that is not normal, like it's not something that you usually deal with, like usually he is taking you on dates, usually he is getting you flowers, usually he is super lovey dovey, and you're not feeling that vibe lately, what I want you to do is get out of your own head and just to genuinely go to him and be like, hey, I feel like, things have been off a little bit. What's going on with you? Because the thing is that we want to expect the best out of our partner. We want to give them the benefit of the doubt and just assume that they are doing their best and they're not out here to intentionally hurt you. God willing, the planes are really out today. I don't know if you guys can hear them. But God willing, you're with a man that you don't think is going to be out to intentionally hurt you. So if that's the case, when you talk to him, like, hey, things have just been feeling off. The key for this is you cannot do this out of a place of anger. So I would recommend praying first so that you can have the words and the wisdom and so God can talk to you about like how to bring it up to him. But because I could give you words for it, but how I talk to my partner is not going to be the same way as how you guys talk to your partner. If I talk to my partner in the way that some people talk to their partner, he would cringe, shut down, and that would be it. So you have to figure out the right words to come to him from a non-confrontational place to genuinely be like, hey, like, what's up with you? What's going on? Now, if your relationship has been off kilter and you're not with a partner that is a talker, because some men are talkers and some men aren't. So if your man is like mine and he's not a talker and he's not going to tell you what's going on, and he just says nothing, you're just going to say, okay, you'll accept it. You'll say, all right, if there's anything you need, just let me know. And you're going to move on to the next steps. For the people who do have talker boyfriends, congratulations. What you are going to do is when he tells you what's wrong, tell him, let me take it in. Let me try to do what I can to support you. What do you need from me, et cetera, et cetera. You're going to take that advice and you're actually going to pay attention to it. Don't tell him, well, you're not doing this, 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 and this. You're going to actually listen to his advice. You're going to leave it at that. Okay. This is not easy to do. I completely recognize that. But it's a really, really important step because it's going to disarm your man. Instead of you guys going against each other, you're going to go lean into the position of being supportive and being loving. And both of those, whether your man is a talker or he's not, or he tells you or he doesn't, both of them are going to solve that issue. Now, if your man is petty and he's like, nothing's wrong, and you're like, okay, well, if there's anything I can do to support you, just let me know. And then you know that something's still wrong and he's not telling you, you're going to drop it. Okay. Don't pester him. Don't push him till he tells you, because what you want to encourage is a level of maturity and communication. You're going to do that by your actions because your actions are going to impact him so much more than your words can. So when he doesn't tell you, you gave him the opportunity to, you're going to move on to these next steps. Now, I love these next steps. So what you're going to do is you are going to completely focus on yourself. For the people that had a plan of what your man actually wants you to do, in this, you're going to interweave like what you can do. Like if he's like, oh, I need space, this is going to be perfect for you. If he's like, I need you to spend more time with me, or I need you to do this, this, and this, or to pick up the slack in this area, or, not talk to me about this, like you're going to interweave that in there. So pay attention to what he said and then weave it in there. If you don't know what to do with what he said, just DM me on like Instagram, TikTok, or leave a comment below and I'll try to help figure out like what you can do to interweave that plan in. But this part, you're going to focus on you. You are going to take care of you to whatever extent that means. I don't want you doing stuff that it's like unnatural for you. So if you're not the type of person to get their nails done, Don't just go get their nails done because like I'm gonna just focus on me. I'm gonna do me, and you're gonna spend a bunch of money on something that you don't usually do. But really pay attention to yourself. Take care of your health. Take care of your hygiene more than anything, because that's something that everyone can do. And then beyond that, take care of your looks. And don't take care of your looks for him. Do something that makes you feel good. Like for me, my man's like, oh, like, he's like, I love your hair like this. I don't want you to take it out. As you can see, I have a scarf today because my hair looks a little crazy at the top. Oh my God. Oh, there we go. I'm not going to listen to that because I feel crazy. So I'm gonna take my hair out, wash it, blow dry it, do whatever I need to do to restyle it. Do what makes you feel really, really good and makes you feel really beautiful, and just like take a good everything shower. Like get in cute pajamas or put on a really cute outfit. That B is back from the last video, y'all. Whatever. I'm just gonna leave it be. Okay, let me focus because I said I don't have that much time today. When you are speaking to your man, only speak in love. No criticism, no nagging, no, hey, I need you to do this, this, and this, unless it's like really dire that you need him to do something, but only in love. Hey, baby, can you do this? Or, oh, I really like that shirt on you today. Or you can pull that back a little bit. Like if you're leaning forward in your compliments and you want more compliments and stuff from him, lean back a little bit. But when you're talking to him, not the yelling, not the cussing, you can still be playful and everything if that's your vibe. But like when it comes to how you're speaking to him and speaking about him, especially when he's around, only speaking life. Only. Try it for a week, okay? And then you are going to make plans this week. Because what we tend to do when we feel a distance from our man is we sink our claws in a little bit and we're like, oh, like, let me try to like fix this. And we want to be right up under him and be right with him. No, you're going to get busy, but not like busy in the way that you're just doing busy work and you're doing something so he'll notice that you're doing something. You have to do something that you actually enjoy that's going to take your genuine focus away from your relationship. And this is just going to shift the dynamic because it's shifting you right now. You're leaning forward in your relationship and you're like, nah, 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 nah. You got all these things going on. You need to lean back in order for him to start leaning forward again. And then it's going to put your relationship back in that beautiful polarizing energy that it had before, where you guys had like a push and pull. Because right now you're leaning forward. So no nagging, no nagging. Take care of yourself. Find something to do. Ask him what's wrong and just leave that for a week and just let me know how it goes. I love you guys. I hope that this works for you because, again, I really understand relationship issues are, that's a plane again. Relationship issues are not easy. Okay. They're not easy, but you can get through this. Lastly, I almost forgot. You have to pray. You have to pray. When you pray about things, things change. So, God, like my relationship is just feeling really, really off lately, and I don't know what to do about it. I just pray, I need your help. I need you to fix this. I need you to talk to him. I need him to say this, this, and this. That would really make me feel secure. God, can you talk to him about it? Can you talk to him about feeling off? Can you talk to him about getting me gifts? Can you talk to him about taking me out? And he will, because God loves his daughters. So I hope this helps. And if you need anything, just let me know. Love you guys. See you in the next video.